Hello.
Yeah, Manoj. Good evening,
Hello.
Manoj.
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah.
Good evening.
Yeah, we'll start the session now. Okay.
Yeah.
We have discussed about the enterprise structure and the basic settings of IS utilities. So, do you have any doubts on this? Just please let me know. We'll discuss it further.
No, it's fine. We have MRU and portion we have discussed.
Yeah, that's what. Basic functions. In the basic functions, we have discussed about parameter record, portion, and MRU. Parameter record is but it controls the schedule records for the budget billing, and portion group of contracts, and MRU is a group of installations. Using portion and MRU. Using portion and MRU, we can generate the schedule records. It's based on the how you want to generate the schedule records, monthly wise or 2 months once. That configuration we need to do it in the portion level. That till that here we have discussed. So till here, if you have any doubts or anything, just you ask me, because we are going to the different topic. We are going to be discussing about the master data. Yeah, you have any questions?
No, it's fine.
In the basic settings, structure, indicator, and category of the function locations. Each and every company, they'll have some structures for maintaining connection objects and for maintaining device locations. Because based on the, if you look into the UK or US, some clients, they follow one serial number. Like if they maintain connection object as a 10 digits, let's say 10 digits. First to 4 digits, it defines your city or your country. Next to 2 digits, your city. Next to 2 digits, your street. Next to 2 to 3 digits, it will be your connection object number.
Yes.
They will be defining in that way. So, for this, we need to configure our functional location in plant maintenance side. Okay. So PM consultant will configure the functional location. The same functional location you can use it over here. Okay. I'll show you. Is a PM configuration basically. I mean, defining a function location. I'll show you where we need to configure. See, this is one way to identify the path. If you don't know something, configuring of an object, okay. So usually system will put the error. If you double click on the error, you will get the performance response. Correct. So here we have the option. Here is the place, as you know that here we will get the technical information, table, field, everything we will get it. Here is the place, customizing. If you click on this one, just go here. From this place, you can reach the configuration point. This is one way to identify the right setting instead of searching each and every node. See, this one. key is there in plant maintenance and customer service, master data in plant maintenance and customer service, functional locations. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Here create structure indicator for reference locations and functional locations. It's basically, no, you can say blindly, it's identifying the addresses. Okay, it links with the connection object and as well as your device location. Based on this, we can identify where is your connection object, where is your device location. Okay, so just go to the new entries based on the requirement, configure it. This one.
Okay.
In any project, you take any project. SAP has provided this is the standard function location. Sorry, yeah, standard function location. So each and every project maximum they use this function location AO_ZP. Okay, you can use the same thing. If you have the SAP, client system, you can check the configuration. Okay. So assign it here AO_ZP. C means it's a connection object configuration. Okay. D means device location configuration. Right. So I've assigned AO_ZP. So you can assign it. I'm assigning connection object.
Yeah.
And device location means device G. Device location assign it over here. And here internal and external number range we can assign it. Okay. Is the configuration of device location and connection object. So we need to define the number ranges for connection object. If you look into the SAP configuration, right? For device location and connection object, we'll be defining it in the same place. Hello? You there, Manojit?
Hello, Raman, hello?
Yeah.
Hello? I have a call. I'm just give me 2 minutes, right? I have a call from office. Give me 2 minutes.
No, carry on.
Okay. Hello. Hello?
Yeah, Manoj.
Hello? Sorry. It's a call, so that's why. It's very sorry.
No issue.
Okay.
Shall I continue?
Yeah, sure.
See, for defining, for connection object and device location, number ranges, here is the place we can assign it. As yesterday we have discussed about the number ranges, right? Internal number range and external number range. So you can define and assign it over here. Based on that, you can create the connection object and device location. So now for assigning the number ranges, for device location and connection object number range, you need to do it over here. It's a master data, connection object. Under connection object node, define number ranges for connection objects and device location. This is the place. Usually what is happening in ISU, for installation different number range, for premise different number range, for contract business partner different number ranges we will be assigning. But whereas in connection object and device location we will be assigning same number range. For example, if you create 01 as the external number range and 02 as the internal number range. If you create internal number range, system will generate the number automatically. You remember that, right? So yes. What's happening? If you create connection object as a 1 and immediately if you create a device location, then it will be, the number will be generated as a 2 because we have assigned the same number range for both objects.
Okay.
So here already they have done it. If you want, you can. Shall I delete and assign the same?
Yes, you can. Okay.
Just go to interval and give 0 to assign from 9 to just 4 months. If you check this box, it's a external number range. External number range means you need to provide the number. If you don't check this one, it's internal number range. So system automatically.
Yeah.
Correct. So we have defined 01 and 02. So this number we need to assign it over here. Based on the requirement, if you want to assign an internal number range, assign it over here. So 02 is the internal number range. So here you can assign 02. Here is the place of, so if you want to assign internal number range, you can assign it. And 01 is the external number range. You can assign it. Here we have one more number range. Not number range. If you want to use internal and as well as external number range, here is the place you can do that. External internal number assignment permitted. If you don't select anything, automatically it will be permitted. If you select only external number range, you need to give E. If you want to select only internal number range, you need to give I. Okay. So if you don't give any, here also it will accept your internal and external number range. Okay, now we'll see. For creating a connection object, first let's discuss about the connection object. You know, basically, connection object is a building or a fountain, a column. It's a basically, based on the client requirement, we can configure the connection object. Sometimes what is they do, entire apartment they'll consider as a connection object. Sometimes in the apartment, each and entire colony we can consider as a connection object. Okay, it's based on how we are mapping the scenario. That's all. For example, if you take entire apartment as a connection object, so we need to create a apartment as a connection object. For that, the transaction is
ES55.
Correct. ES55. This is the transaction.
Yes, ES55. Yes.
Just click on this one. So we have assigned internal number range and as well as external number range. Both we have assigned.
Yeah.
So system accept internal and as well as external. Just I'm Rajesh. See here we have time लगेगा Rajesh. We have created plant as a Tata, right?
Yes.
So to assign our plant here, and then regional structure group what we have created. Do you remember regional structure group?
Yes.
Yesterday we have done it. Because this regional structure group, you can map it in your city and as well as the state. So, some scenarios, what is happening? That meter reader, you download them all the contracts, one particular area. Particular area means it's for one portion. So that time, based on the regional structure group, he can download it if they map it. Okay. It's all about the mapping, how you are mapping and how we are using the configuration. So if you save it, system automatically will propose the number.
Yes.
No controlling area.
Controlling area.
Not ask the controlling area. I will configure that setting, okay? By that time I will bypass it. But it will take some time.
Okay.
Okay, I'll do the I'll
Okay.
resolve this one.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is the way, we need to assign all the objects here and then
Okay.
assign it there. Usually different people are using this server, so always they are trying to change these. I'll check it up this issue. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a controlling area. Basically, very issues. So ES55 using using ES55 you can create the connection object. There these are the fields
Yeah.
we need to give it while creating the connection object. Okay, maintenance plant and registration group. So we should not ask. Okay, I'll rectify it because it will take some time to.
Okay.
Yeah. And then for creating a device location, just to go to ES65 transaction. Okay. If you don't give anything, system will propose the number. Go there and assign the connection object. We have been created, assign that. Okay. We have used the standard. That is the reason, basically for company code settings, don't create it, okay? And as well as don't copy it also. I mean, usually for practice purpose, we need to copy it. When you practice it, just to use always company code as a 0001. Okay. You can create your sales organization and remaining all the stuff you can create it. Okay.
Okay.
Division and everything you can do as per your convenience and as per your requirement. But for practicing purpose, I'm saying because we are not the apply consultants. So company code, global settings, so many settings will be there. So for that, just take the standard SAP. Standard SAP has provided 001 company code. So use that one.
Okay.
Have you got the access? Hello? Manojit, have you got the access?
No, till now I tomorrow I will got. No, tomorrow I think I have talked. Hello.
Yeah. I got it.
Yeah.
Okay. So in the basic settings level, this is how we need to assign our functional locations and as well as internal number range and as well as external number range to connection object and device location. Basically, this configuration DM consultant will do it. Okay. And then technical master also handled by DM consultant.
Yes.
Okay. So technical master basically it's a Now we'll discuss about the master data. Two master data are there in ISU, right? One is a technical master, second is business master. Technical master consists of connection object, device location, premise, installation, and the device. Okay. So first, already we have discussed about the connection object. Connection object is nothing but one building or fountain or entire colony also you can consider as a connection object. Okay. It links to the functional locations and as well as it links to the plant maintenance of the address management. Okay. This is about the connection object. Here, let's see the connection object configuration. See, for assigning the number ranges, we need to assign over here itself to functional locations level while creating the connection object and device locations. Because what's happening? When you create a device location and connection object, your functional location, it will be attached in the back end. Okay. So always just remember this. Always your connection object functional location. I think you might have checked. In the program level, you might have used iFloat. Have you used it?
iFloat, ILOA is there.
yeah, like that. In the, it's nothing but your function location. If it is,
Yes.
there are two things are there, TPLNR and another thing is there, superior function location and secondary function location. Your connection object function location always is a superior function location. Your device location function is a second, I mean hierarchy, as per hierarchy, connection object function location is superior one. Just remember that one blindly. The device location, it comes that or comes next to the connection object function location. And then it's a field configuration for the connection object. Here we have input, required entry, display, and height. 4 options are there. And different fields are existing in the connection object level. If you want to make some fields as a input, you can select as an input field here. If you want to use some fields as a required entry, okay, just select this one. For example, regional structure group, they made it as a required entry. So you can make it as a input here. We'll see what will happen. Regional structure group, I put it as a input, and let's take maintenance plant as a I have hide it. Let's take the display. Display in the sense, you cannot change the, in change mode or something. Default value, it will be fast. You cannot change it. It will be gray out. Maintenance plant showing as a display entry. If you go to the ES55 transaction, see, your maintenance plant is in display mode. You cannot change the number. It will be grayed out.
Yes.
Whereas in regional structure, I put it as an input. So it's not a required field. Just to go there to the configuration level, field selection for connection object, and regional structure group. You can put it, if you put it as a required entry, to make it as a required entry, then system will ask for the, now nothing is there here. If you go to Session 55, it will show as a required entry. Maintenance plant as a displayed and regional structure group as a required entry. Okay. 5 minutes. And then field selection for address data. Just SAP has provided some standard settings. We can use these are the required fields or whatever it is. Here also, we have some fields like required data, field not displayed, field proposed for maintenance, field only displayed, no maintenance. Based on the requirement, you can map it. It's also it controls the address data. If you go to connection object level, address data is there. So in the address data we have PO box number. If you want to put it to display or hide or maintenance or something, that configuration need to be done it over here. Is the place.
Okay.
You need not to do anything because some default settings are there. Just use those settings. That's all. If any special requirement is there in those cases, for example, if you want to maintain your mobile number or fax number as a mandatory, then you need to change it over here. That's all. Remaining as a required entry. Then system will propose your telephone number as a required entry. Other cases it's not required. So just keep it like that. This is about the connection. And then premise, device location, and installation. Tomorrow we will see, okay? Because
okay,
we start the session at 8:30. Is it okay for you?
Yeah, no problem.
Okay. By tomorrow by 8:30, around 8:30 we will stop. 8:35 or something. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. If you get the access, just try to practice it. Enterprise structure and the portion, MRU, generating schedule cards and the basic settings. I'll resolve this issue. I mean connection object. Now itself we can do it.
Okay.
Move on. Just go there. If you take 3101, it will be resolved.
Okay.
Just try. Hello? Hello, Manoj.
Hello?
Are you there?
Yeah, hello. Yeah.
Session, yes. Now I think it will allow us to do that.
Okay. हेलो नहीं बोलिए क्या कुछ नहीं थोड़ी देर पहले आने फोन किया था वही वो एक 10-12 फाइल भेजा था सब कॉपी पेस्ट करने के लिए मैं बोल दिया जब तो नहीं लिया, आज तो ऑफिस आया नहीं, लेकिन कल से शायद लेगा। आएगा काम कीजिए। एक 1 साल का होगा। हाँ हाँ, ये थोड़ा बहुत सीआरएम में आता है, नहीं ज्यादा कुछ नहीं किया है, मतलब थोड़ा बहुत सीआरएम में काम करता था। तो मैं धीरे मना कर दिया, और इसको मैं धीरे मना कर दिया। बहुत खराब लगा, लेकिन मैं मना कर दिया। जब तुमको पेटी देने का टाइम था तब तुमको नहीं दिए, सब छुपाने के लिए मैं नहीं मना कर, मैं धीरे मना कर दिया। जो भी चाहे बोले, जो आए बोले, मेरे को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। वही तो कर रहा हूँ, वही तो बैठा कर रहा हूँ, वही मैं चेंज कर रहा हूँ, चेंज करके मैं बिल डाल दे रहा हूँ। वो मैं कर दे रहा हूँ, वो अभी कर दे रहा हूँ। वही उसी के लिए मैं बैठा था, उसी के टाइम उसका फोन आया, एक 10 मिनट पहले उसका फोन आया, ऐसे पूछ रहा है कहाँ जा रहे हो, ये जा रहा है। मैं बोला ये जरूरी है क्या आपको पता? तो बोला नहीं, ऐसे जरूरी तो नहीं है। ठीक है, मत चाहिए, जरूरी नहीं है, मैं क्यों बताऊँ आपको कहाँ जा रहा हूँ। फिर बोलने लगा अपना बात सुनने कि वो थोड़ा देखे, बोला नहीं मैंने नहीं देखा। बोला यार थोड़ा कर दो, बोला मैं धीरे बोला तो ठीक है, वहाँ पर अफिलियंस का भी तो है आईडी, तो उनसे बात कीजिए। बोला
Yeah, Manojit.
है, लेकिन थोड़ा वाला तो ठीक है। तो देखिए सर, आप बात कीजिए, सरकार से बात कीजिए, क्या करेंगे तो है, उससे बात कीजिए, आप बात कीजिए इससे। हाँ, बात कीजिए ना, आप कितना 1 साल से सब लोग मेरा मजा लिए ना, आप उससे बात कीजिए। वो जो बोलेगा वही होगा, तो उससे बात कीजिए। मैं क्या बोल सकता हूँ? मैं सेकेंडरी रहूंगा, टर्शियरी, प्राइमरी, लास्ट, उससे मुझे अब कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, चाहे कोई एस्केलेशन हो ना हो, उससे भी मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। इसीलिए बोल रहा हूँ, मतलब वो तो सब डिसाइड करता था ना, तो उसको बोलिए कि वो डिसाइड करे, आप उसको प्राइमरी रखना है। मेरा काम तो खत्म हो गया, मैं तो कोई ओनरशिप रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ये सब भाई, मैं एक बार दिखा दूंगा मेरा जो रूल्स एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि भाई तुमको खेती करना है, मैं खेती कर दूंगा, बस दैट्स ऑल। उसके बाद कोई इशू हुआ, कोई ये हुआ, एस्केलेशन हुआ, उसको मैं जिम्मेदार नहीं, और मैं दूंगा भी नहीं। कोई बोलेगा मैं एक कान से डालूंगा, दूसरे कान से निकालूंगा, खत्म। मैंने जब चिल्लाया, चीखा, बोला अपना फैमिली का प्रॉब्लम बोला, तब तो कोई आगे नहीं आया, तब तो सब मजा ले रहा था बैठे बैठे। हाँ, जानता था कि ये गधा, ये तो निकल नहीं पाएगा, इसका फैमिली इशू है, ये तो बैठा रहेगा दिन भर, और ऐसे ही काम में फंसा रहेगा, तो इसको इसका नॉलेज भी गेन नहीं होगा, तो ये कभी छोड़ ही नहीं पाएगा। अच्छा मजा ले रहा था मेरा।
Hello, Manojit. Shall we meet tomorrow?
अरे वो तो उन लोगों को पता नहीं था ना, तो हमको आपको पता था कि नॉलेज हम लोगों का क्या था, कैसे हो रहा है, लेकिन इन लोगों को तो मजा ले रहा था, जानता था कि मतलब इसको थोड़ा फंक्शनल ट्रेनिंग दे देंगे तो आज कल ये बोलेगा कि हम अब ये बैच पे काम नहीं करेंगे, हमको फंक्शनल नॉलेज हो गया है, हमको फंक्शनल बनना है, हमको फंक्शनल काम, ये लोग का एक टाइम चलता रहता है ना। हेलो। कंपनी का तो पता नहीं, लेकिन ये बता देखो ये सब बात करते करते अपना बात नहीं चला है, अपना बच्चों अपनी लाइफ में